Do you want to learn how to clean up your Gmail inbox instantly? Today, we're gonna learn how to do it fast and easily. Let's get started. So here I am with my Gmail opened. Make sure you're using the account that you want to make the cleanup. You can see that selecting here my inbox, I have most of 4,000 inbox mails that I want to delete. So go here at settings and click on see all settings. With the settings page open, click here on the inbox section. Select the third option called updates. Now scroll down and click on save changes. You can see that I still have the 4,000 emails, but they are not here on the primary. They are here on updates. So here, what you're gonna do now, click here on updates, and let's say that I don't want to receive any emails from this person here called AV Makers. Click on the person with the right button of your mouse and click here on find emails from the person. Now, you can just click here on this box to select all the emails. I have most of 15 emails sent by this person. Now, click here on select all conversations that match this search and click here on delete. Now click on OK. And now all my emails from AV Makers were deleted. Now, just come back here and search for other persons that send a lot of emails to you. Like this. Keep this process until your email is clean. Once your process is done, go back again here, click again on settings, click again on see all settings, go to inbox again and uncheck the updates box. Scroll down and click on save changes. Now your normal email is back. If this video helped you, leave a like on it and subscribe to help our content to keep growing. If you had any doubt or want to make a compliment or a suggestion, please comment below. Bye!